Exercise 7.3, question number 1, continue. Number 11, 4328 divided by 18. So 18 we will write outside and 4328 we will write inside. Okay, so now here we will see 18 table. So first we will take 2 digit, that is 43. Now we have to see in 18 table when 43 will come. So 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54. Now 54 is greater than 43. We can't able to subtract, right? So what we will take? We will take 18 to the 36. Now we will subtract. 3 minus 6 is possible? No. We have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 6 we will get 7 and 3 minus 3 is possible? 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. So now we will carry down 2. So now we have to see in 18 table when 72 will come, that is 18 4s are 72. Now we will do subtraction. 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 7 0. Now which number is left? 8. So 8 is the smaller number, right? In 18 table we will not get 8. So we have carried down the digits. So for that we will write in quotient 1 0. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 240 and remainder equal to 8. Now number 12, 4133 divided by 19. So 19 we will write outside and 4133 we will write inside. So here we will take first 2 digit, that is 41. So in 19 table when 41 will come, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57. 57 is greater than 41, right? We can't able to subtract. So we will take smaller number. 19 twos are 38. Now we will do subtraction. 1 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 4 will become 3 and this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 8 we will get 3. 3 minus 3 0. Now we will carry down this 3. It will become 33. So 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, right? So 38 is greater number, we can't able to subtract. So we will take 19 ones are 19. Now 3 minus 9 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 9 we will get 4. Now 2 minus 1, 1. So here now 14. 14 is the smaller number compared to 19. In 19 table 14 will not come. So we will carry down this 3. So now we have to see in 19 table when 143 will come. So 19 9s are 100. Sorry, 19 7s are 133. 19 8s are 152. So 152 is greater than 143. So we will take 19 7s are 133. So 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 217 and remainder equal to 10. Number 13, 4379 divided by 29. So 29 we will write outside, 4379 we will write inside. Okay, so here we have to see 29 table. Okay, but 29 table we are not knowing. So how we will do? We will multiply and we will do the sum. So first we will take 2 digit, that is 43. Now we have to see in 29 table 43 will come or not. So 29 ones are 29. Then 29 twos are how much? That is 2 9s are 18. So 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 29 twos are 58. So 58 is greater than 43. Okay, so we can't able to subtract. So what we will do? We will take 29 ones are 29. Now we will subtract. 3 minus 9 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 9 we will get 4. 3 minus 2, 1. Now here 14. 14 is the smaller number compared to 29. So we will carry down this 7. So it will become 147. Now we have to see in 29 table when 147 will come. So we will see 29 5s are. So 5 9s are 45. So 5 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 5 to the 10. 10 plus 4, 14. That is 145. Now 29. 6 9 54. So 4 we will write down. 5 will be carried over. 6 to the 12. 12 plus 5, 17. So 174. This is a greater number. So we will take 29. 5 145. So upside in quotient we will write 5. So 29 5 145. Now 7 minus 5, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now which number is left? That is 9. It will become 29. So in 29 table, when 29 will come? Yes, 29 ones are 29. So 9 minus 9, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So our quotient equal to 151 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 14. 4082 divided by 22. So 22 we will write outside and 4082 we will write inside. Okay, here also 22 table we are not knowing. So what we have to do? We will multiply, then we will write. Okay. So first we will take 2 digit, that is 40. Now we have to see in 22 table when 40 will come. So 22 ones are 22. Then 22 twos are 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. That is 44. So 44 is the greater than 40. We can't able to subtract. So what we will take? We will take 22 ones are 22. 0 minus 2 is not possible. So you have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 2 we will get 8. 3 minus 2, 1. So 18. So 18 is the smaller number compared to 22. So we will carry down this 8 also. So it will become 188. Now we have to see in 22 table when 188 will come. So 22 6 6 2 12. So 2 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 6 2 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 132. Now 22 7 7 2 14. 4. 1 will be carried over. 7 2 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Now we will see 22 8 also. 8 2 16. 1. 8 2 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 176. Now we will see 22 9 also. So 9 2 18. 8. 1. 9 2 18 plus 1, 19. So 198. That is greater than 188. So what we will take? We will take 22 8 176. So in quotient we will write 8 and down we will write 176. Now 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 7, 1. 0 minus 0. Sorry, 1 minus 1, 0. So now 12 is there. Now which number is left? That is 2. Now in 22 table when 122 will come? So 22 6 132. Right? This is a greater number. So now we will see 22 5 So 5 2 10. So 0 1. 5 2 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 110. Okay, this is a smaller number, right? We can able to subtract. So 22 5 110. Now we will do subtraction. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 185 and remainder equal to 12. Now number 15. 609 divided by 28. So 28 we will write inside. 609 we will write outside. Okay. So now here we have to see 28 table. So first we will take 2 digit, that is 60. Now in 28 table when 60 will come? So 28 ones are 28. 28 twos are 2 8s are 60. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then we will see 28 3s are 3 8s are 24. So 4 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So that is 84. So that is greater than 60. So what we will take? We will take 28 2s are 56. Now 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 6. So this 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 6 we will get 4. 5 minus 5, 0. Now we will carry down this 4, carry down this 9, so it will become 49. Now in 28 table when 49 will come, so 28 to the 56, right? So 56 is greater than 49, can't able to subtract, so we will take 28 ones 28. Now 9 minus 8, 1, 4 minus 2, 2. So 21 is smaller than 28. In table it will not come. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 21 and remainder equal to 21. Now number 16. 875 divided by 35. So 35 we will write outside and 875 we will write inside. So first we will take 2 digit, that is 87. Now we have to see in 35 table when 87 will come. So 35 ones are 35, 35 twos are 2 5s are 10, 1 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, that is 70. Then 35 3s are 3 5s are 15, then 1 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, that is 105, that is greater than 87. So we will take 35 2s are 70. So 7 minus 0, 7, 8 minus 7, 1. Okay, 17, that is smaller than 35. So we will carry down this 5 also. It will become 175. Now in 35 table when 175 will come. So we will see 35 4s are 4 5s are 20, 0, 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, that is 140. Now 35 5s also we will see 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carried over, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 17, so 175, 35 5s are 175. Now 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 7 0, 1 minus 1 0. So our quotient equal to 25 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 17, 869 divided by 46. Okay, so first we will see the 2 digit, that is 86, first 2 digit. Now in 46 table when 86 will come, so 46 ones are 46, 46 twos are multiply and we will see 2 6 are 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, that is 92. So 92 is the greater than 86. So we will take 46 ones are 46. Subtract 6 minus 6 0, 8 minus 4 4. Now 40. So 40 is the smaller number compared to 46. So we will carry down this 9. It will become 409. Now we have to see in 46 table when 409 will come. So we will multiply 46 7s are 7 6 are 42. So 2 we will write down, 4 will be carried over, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 4 332. Now we will see 46 8s also, 8 6 are 48, then 4 will be carried over, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 4 36, so 368. Now we will see 46 9s also, 9 6 are 54, so 4 we will write down, 5 will be carried over. Now 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 5 41, so 414, so that is greater than 409. So we will take 46 8s are 368. Okay, so 8 we will write up, then down we will write 368. Now 9 minus 8 1, 0 minus 6 is not possible, so you have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 6 4 and 3 minus 3 0. Now 41 is smaller than 46, no, so here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 18 and remainder equal to 41. Now number 18, 7910 divided by 51. So 51 we will write outside, 7910 we will write inside. So we will take 2 digit, that is 79. So in 51 table when 79 will come, so 51 ones are 51, 51 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, so 102. So that is greater than 79. So we will take 51 ones are 51. Now we will do subtraction. 9 minus 1 8, 7 minus 5 2. Now 28 is smaller than 51. So we will carry down this 1, it will become 281. Now in 51 table, when 281 will come, so we will multiply and we will see 51 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Now 51 6s are 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 306. 306 is greater than 281. So we will take 51 5s are 255. Now 1 minus 5 is possible? No, we have to borrow from 8. So this 8 will become 7 and this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 5, 6, 7 minus 5, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Now we will carry down this 0, it will become 260. So again 51 6 are 306 is there, right? And 51 5 are 255. So this is smaller than 260. So we will take 51 5 are 255. So 0 minus 5 is not possible, so you have to borrow from 6. So this 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So our quotient equal to 155 and remainder equal to 5. Now number 19, 3659 divided by 58. Okay. So 58 we will write outside, 3659 we will write inside. So here we will take 2 digit, then 36 is smaller than 58. So we will take 3 digit, 365. Now in 58 table, when 365 will come, that we have to see. So 58 5s are 5 8s are 40. So 0 we will write down, 4 will be carried over, 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. Now we will see 58 6 are 6 8s are 48. So 8 we will write down, 4 will be carried over, 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Now we will see 58 7s are also, 7 8s are 56. So 6 we will write down, 5 will be carried over. Now 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 5, 40. So 406 is greater than 365. So we will take 58 6 are 348. Now we will subtract. 5 minus 8 is possible? No, we have to borrow from 6. 6 will become 5 and this 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 8 we will get 7. 5 minus 4 1. 3 minus 3 0. Now we will carry down this 9. So it will become 179. So now in 58 table, when 179 will come, so we will multiply and see. So 58 3s are 3 8s are 24. Then 2 will be carried over. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So 174. So we will take 58 4 3s are 174. So here we will subtract. 9 minus 4, 5. 0 minus 0, 7 minus 7 0, 1 minus 1 0. So here our quotient equal to 63 and remainder equal to 5. Now number 20, 1750 divided by 61. So 1750 we will write inside and 61 we will write outside. So here also we have to take 3 digit, 175. So in 61 table, when 175 will come, that we have to see. So 61 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 122. 61 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 183. So 183 is greater than 175. We can't able to subtract. So we will take 61 2s are 122. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 2 5, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, 53 is smaller than 61. So we will carry down this 0 also. It will become 530. Now in 61 table, when 530 will come, that we have to see. So 61 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. then 61 7s are 7 1s are 7, 7 6s are 42, then 61 8s are 8 1s are 8, 8 6s are 48, then 61 9s are 9 1s are 9, 9 6s are 54. So 549, that is greater than 530. So we will take 61 8s are 488. So 8 we will write down up, then subtract 488. So now 0 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 2. 2 minus 8 is also not possible. So we have to borrow from 5. Those 5 will become 4 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8 4. 4 minus 4 0. Now 42 is smaller than 61. So here we will stop our division. So quotient equal to 28 and remainder equal to 42. Thank you.